Hello everyone, respected judges. This is Team Pro Coders, consisting of 4 members. Our team leader Devdutt Pandey, Mohammad Zubair, Shivam Tyagi, and Karan Kumar Singh, myself. This is our Git repository, titled One Stop. This complete project was created and completed during Hackathon. Let us go through the website and explore its functionality. So, here we go. Every student, besides having a lot of opportunities, faces a lot of trouble because of the lack of information and eventually are not able to grab all the opportunity. Taking note of all off-campus drives, upcoming contests, and placement-related information of the institute. It is very hectic and not possible for every student to check it. So here we come up with a solution that is a one-stop solution for every college student. This website automatically fetches data from different colleges about its placement records, and it also fetches data from different coding platforms, and we get a compiled information for different coding platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeSafe, CodeForces, AdCoder, and LeetCode, and multinational companies' website for off-campus placement. We can also set reminders so that we don't miss any competition and we are getting every notification for us. Now there is no need of feeling any burden because One Stop is here to help you and keep you winning. Now let us go through our website. If you are first time user, then you have to register and then sign in. Suppose you are old user, then you have to sign in with your credentials. Now let me show you my Firebase account. So here you can see that there are only 4 accounts registered. Now let me show you by registering my another account. So here I am registering. Now I am writing my name. Now I am writing my sorry. Now I am adding my email ID, my password, confirming it. Now we are done. Here we go. Now I am showing you that in the my Firebase account that the account has been added. Now we are going to sign in. Now let me sign in. Now we have to give the password. Now we are logging in. So here we have come. This is the home page of our website. So you can see it. It is a one-stop solution for every engineering student. Here is everyone. Here is about us, what we provide. Here we gather placement details, set contest reminders, search for your perfect job, and get updated about upcoming contest. Now here I am showing you open opportunities. Here you can see that we have all the job openings like Microsoft, Infosys, IBM. Now suppose it click it, you will be directed to the website and here you can apply for it. This is all for the off-campus placement. Now here are placement records. As you can see that if we search, you can see all the website. We can see placement data of any website by clicking search on it and directed to the institute own website. There we can see the placement data. So this is all about in the placement records. Now in the upcoming contest, you can see that here we have company interview questions, coding question actually these are. So we have categorized it. So we have different companies for here. And difficulty level we can set up and we check up the question. We have so many questions and we have also the section for how many we have solved and how many we have to review. And now we can click at done if you have done the question. And difficulty level you can see that these are all questions are fetched from API, different APIs from these companies. And here it is upcoming So we get everything like CodeSafe, HackerEarth, HackerRank, EdCoder, LeetCode. Now, suppose a student has only CodeSafe and CodeForce account, so he can unleash these websites. Now you can see that our website is showing only CodeSafe and CodeForce's competition. So on the 18th January, there will be pushback competition. Like 19 will be CodeForce's round 696 division 2. So we can check every competition here according to our need, and we can also set contest reminder. So these are all about. Now the student can get benefit from here, like they can hone their competitive programming skills as well as so they can prepare for the interviews as well as coding round for the technical round. So we are preparing and giving our best for the students' benefit. Thank you for patient listening. This is Team Pro Coders signing off.